Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I will teach you how to create membership plans in WooCommerce. So let's start. Go to wordpress.org website and search membership for WooCommerce plugin. This plugin is created by WP Sphinx company. Through this plugin, you can create multiple plans in one membership. Send emails for membership plans. You can assign membership plans to simple product or product categories. Click download button to download this plugin. I already downloaded this plugin, so I am uploading it. Click on plugins tab on left sidebar and click add new option. Select the downloaded plugin and install now. Click activate plugin button. So you can see plugin installed successfully. Here you can enable or disable membership plans. Enable this option if you want to delete data at uninstall. This will delete all data at uninstalling. Enable this option if you want to show history to user. This will enable users to visit and see plan history on My Account page. Enable create user after payment done option if you want to create user after payment. Enable allow your members to cancel their membership accounts option if you want to allow your member to cancel membership. Here you can change button text like buy membership. Go to shortcodes tab. You can see shortcodes for different functions. Like if you want to display buy now button, then copy the shortcode and paste it where you want to show it. Here we have membership plan shortcodes like plan title, plan price, plan description. Let's go to membership option on sidebar and create new membership plan. I am creating bronze plan. Giving some description like get 10% off on this membership. Scroll down and enter membership plan amount. Select access type like lifetime or limited. If you select limited, then enter days in duration. Scroll down and select which products you want to include in membership plan. Just type some product words and select the product from list. You can assign this plan to whole categories also. Again, just enter some category name, words and select the category. Scroll down and enter discount percentage. You can enter fixed price also. I am going to give 10% discount on cart. Enable this allow free shipping option if you want to ship free product. Click publish button to make it working. All members who buys this plan will be listed here. Let's go to all products page and select membership product that we assigned in membership plan. I am opening this logo collection product. This product is under bronze membership plan. Click on this button. It will redirect it to buy membership page. Click buy membership button to buy this bronze plan. So the plan is added into your cart and you have to pay $100 for this. Scroll down and click proceed to checkout button. Now enter your billing details like first name, last name, your address details. After filling all these details, click on button PayPal or debit or credit card option and complete the payment process. After buying this membership plan, customer can buy these products. If you want to try this plugin, then you can go to WordPress.org website and search membership for WooCommerce plugin. If you want to buy its pro version, then you can visit its official website wpswings.com. Here click on WooCommerce plugins option. Scroll down and select membership for WooCommerce plugin and buy it. You can see the multiple features of this plugin on this website. If you find this beneficial, then click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.